I built this a long ways back. Hauled my gooseneck, hauled the cattle trailer. It's real wet out and the track won't go. And I gotta put a square receiver for a trailer hitch on the bottom here. I had the thing to do it, I just need to do it. So that might be a project here in a few minutes. Just stick that on and that'll be done. So here's that I made a while back. Hauling gooseneck trailer around with tractor. 3-point hitch. I'll put that on the bottom. Like so. That way you can drop a 2-inch receiver and haul a dump trailer or any other trailer you get around the dooryard. So I'll stick that there like that. And then I got a piece of stuff here. Just scraps. Take torch, burn the sides off. Crossed, and then I'll punch this square hole in it. Burn that with torch. Then I'll take and weld. Drop this down through once it's welded on here. Then I'll take that piece and weld on the front with a square hole, and that will actually give it the strength so it wouldn't try to pull down off the front. I can show you that here, what it's all looks like. Now we want to get it close, but we don't have to be perfect. Building old farm gear, not the rocket ships. It is a job for somebody else, of course. I would try to do the absolute best. For myself, I'm not so picky. Like that. This might have to get a little bit of cutting out yet, might not. Oh, perfect. That's going to go on there just like that. And that'll give the strength if you get lifting on something heavy that won't necessarily pull your weld off your tubing or pull your tubing apart. That'll give it a lot of surface area weld for strength. Let's turn the welder down. I was welding this bar here yesterday. Of course, I had her cranked up, really wanting to burn into that. That's my allo adapter I'm building. Did turn the welder up a hair. Don't know if you'll be able to see this or not, but we'll try. Hope we don't burn my camera out. Whoa. See, my fitment's not perfect. I got the welder turned down enough I can take care of that. Now, I'm no professional, but anytime you start and stop, you should never have it swoop like an undercut. See there too, I got that so it's built up. You just walk the rod back a little and keep pushing a little material into it. Not so bad on something like this. This is lots heavy, lots welded well, but I don't know if you can see that. There's more a weld that should have been built up a little more. But even that's not bad. But a lot of times if you got something real stressed, it'll crack in if you have a spot like that. And now a lot of times actually you'll have a bubble maybe too, porosity. And that's often a crack point if you that looks pretty good, but if you do let it run back like that, it's on the material there and it makes a weak point in your weld. there it is. Say, let's play oil around these edges off a little. This plate here gives that a lot of strength for pulling down. It ain't real heavy, but this tubing is super heavy, and it's just a little extra. It's not, yeah. You're only as strong as what you're welding to. So, well, there we have it.